Hello everyone. So how you can install 7-zip in your Windows system? So how you can do that? Let's see. Open the Chrome browser or any other browser you have. So just open it and search here 7-zip. Okay, 7-zip download. Okay, when you search here 7-zip download, the first link will appear. Okay, 7-zip is a tool that you use to extract or compress files. Okay, so click on first link. When you click on first link, you can see the 64 bit tool bit setup. Okay, so download 7-zip 25.00. Okay, so click on the download link. When you click on the download link, it will automatically download. Okay, so I'll just download. I have downloaded successfully. Now just you can directly click on here or you can open it in the path. Okay, so this is the setup we have. Just double click on it or right click on and open it. So double click. When you double click it, it will ask you to for permission. Okay, so say yes. Now you can see the setup is open. Okay, so you have to just click on install and now it's successfully installed. Okay, so just close it. Now our 7-zips tool successfully installed. I can show you 7-zip. Okay, you can see the 7-zip file manager. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.